Let tomorrow bless you with body, oh baby. Daddy go bless you with money, oh my girl. Let tomorrow bless you with body, oh baby. Daddy go bless you with money, oh my girl. See, oh yeah, sucker, 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 baby. Sucker, 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 so oh yeah, be fun lock up, yo yo yo, yeah, be fun baby. Sucker, 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 so baby dance so, show me that thing go, baby dance so, show me that thing.
So the frontal already had a light brown lace. I decided to have Nate bleach the knots a bit and customize the frontal. So this is how it came in the bag. The curls were pretty tight and it was flat, as you can see. And then I decided to ask Nate to lay the frontal for me so it could look perfect for you guys. I do know how to do it, I'm just not as perfect as Nate. So we're going to be using the Got To Be Glued gel, the black one, to lay this frontal. Nate does have this available in the black and yellow one in case you guys want to order from her. I will link her details down below. And guys, if you're already loving this hair and you just want to know where can you get this hair, everything you need to know is linked down below. So just open up and have a look. So after we apply the gel, we apply about 2 layers, and she firstly sticks the middle and has me hold it, and then you use your blow dryer on the warm setting just to lay it down a bit. And this is how it looks once you lay it down. You pretty much can't see where the wig starts. So this wig already came made. It does have a density of 180, which I'm not really sure what that means because I'm not a hair guru, but I guess that just means how much hair is in the wig. And we're using this gel over here to lay down my edges. They do look a bit too serious at the moment, but they do tend to become more natural as you go through your day. You guys saw in the beginning. Now we are going to wet the hair, and as you can see, as the hair starts to get wet, this is what it looks like. It gets very flat and all the curls are become very curly, and I'm doing this so I could apply a little bit of gel into the hair so that when I unravel most of the curls and it dries up, you've got some nice beautiful curls that already have a firm hold. So in case you're wondering what wig cap I got this in a size medium, which fitted perfectly. It does come in a small, medium and large, but if you think you're the same size as me head wise, which you would get a medium. And after this is what the curls look like when they start drying up, and it gets bigger throughout the day.
Hey beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Today's review is a hair review. I know I haven't done a lot of these on the channel, but I know you guys are probably interested. So this is my new hair and it's from DYHAIR777. So this is the Brazilian deep curly 20 inches. It didn't come like this in the box. In the bag, it came in a little bag. So it came in a little bag and the curls were pretty tight, and the lace was a light brown lace, but the knots weren't bleached and the frontal was a bit too full for me, so I got the frontal customized. And this is what it looks like when you run your fingers through and you get it wet. And you guys did see the process of me installing my wig. So when I want to get these curls a bit flatter, if you think this is too big for the certain occasion that you're doing, I would then obviously get it wet. So what I like to do is I mix a bit of water and conditioner in a bottle like so, and then all I do is spritz my hair. So I'm going to show you how I get my hair from being this crazy wild to a little more tamed. And you shouldn't be scared to get your hair wet, especially curly hair. Like curly hair and water are like best friends. In fact, if you want your hair to last, I've noticed you should kind of try getting it wet almost every single day. So when you want to tame this hair, oh my god, I've got water dripping everywhere. Okay, so we're just gonna keep spraying it. You spray. Okay, so I'm not gonna get the whole floor wet. So what you would do is this side is a bit more flatter, if you can see. So you would carry on spraying it until it's as flat as you want it. If you guys can see, as I'm spraying it, more curls are starting to develop. So if you wanted a very wet look, then I would suggest you use gel and you run it through your hair. Don't be scared to use gel on your hair because you can easily wash it off. Run gel and then you would have a much more flatter wet look. But if you wanted big hair, I would suggest that you take a little bit of gel, mix it into your hair and then let it air dry, not too much. So if you guys like this hair review, don't forget to like, don't forget to comment, and don't forget to subscribe.